Hello guys, today we're gonna talk about this air fryer. Let's see some photos of it. As you can see, it looks good. It looks high quality, of course. But when we go to the section that we always go to it, to the review section, click on the reviews. As you can see, top reviews from the United States. This is 5 stars, amazing gadget. Another one, great fryer, great price. It's a win-win. Okay, nice. Another one, Amanda Miranda said, amazing, 5 stars. Another one, great air fryer. So as you can see, almost all the reviews are 5 stars and good. Let's see some photos. As you can see, here is the real photos. Here is the food that was cooked by it. So it's a good product, really. I think it's a really good product. So I think that you need to go buy it. Okay, guys, thank you and goodbye for more videos. Bye bye.